Now let's create the connecting rods end cap. Okay, for that let's start the sketch, or otherwise we can reuse it also in a separate body. Okay, and hide it. Draw two circles. The one circle of dia 34, another dia 21 times, so 42. Okay, let us align this with the axis and again go there. Okay, align this to coincident. Now these two points should go there and sit at a distance of 151. This is actually we are creating it in this body, okay, as a separate body, so that the connecting rod will be forged in the manufacturing stage as a single part. But after forging, we will split this cap apart, draw a line, and make these two parts separate. Let's give a dimension of 60 mm. Okay, let us make this line and center point to coincident, and then this end to this end to the, let's make it 30. Okay, now that's a mistake. Let's undo it. Let us undo it. Now let's give a dimension from this to this. This y-axis instead of 150, now 152. Okay, 152. Now let us give this dimension 30. Okay, erase the unwanted segments in this. Okay, done. Okay, yes, this all the unwanted elements separated out. Sketch is fully constrained and good to go. Now create a pad in that. This pad is 8 mm both direction. Oh, now it's 60, right? Then 30 mm both directions. 30 mm. Oh, what is that? It's 28. 14. Okay. Preview. Okay. Done. Next thing is 8 mm. This rectangle pad is created in this plane in a separate body, and create a sketch. Hide it. This small rectangle, and as usual hide all the default constraints. Okay, by opening out and give this 15 mm and this the length. Should always give the distance. That's the best practice. This end cap is created as a separate body is the best practice, industrial best practice. And give this dimension 60. Okay. And make these two to have a distance of 30 mm, and this. Okay, and now let us take this to this to have at 152, right? Yes, done. Exit out and create a pad, and this time it's 8 mm both side, 8 mm. Preview. Okay. Now in this body itself, let's create a pad. Okay, let's create a pad using a sketch. That sketch will have a small. Okay, let's see this. This is some differences there. The tundra very okay. Let's hide those constraints. Okay, and take the dimension. This distance between these is 9 mm. Okay, from this to this, now that 1 mm plus, so it should be 3 mm, 4 mm. Okay, I'll bring it close. Okay, now this 2 is 3 mm. Okay, now align this 3 mm. This will not hit it. Okay, this should be 30 minus 3, so 21, 27. This you hide it. I think that's a top edge, right? It should be exactly 30. Then exit it out. Create a pad so that it will remove the material, right? Give no problem. Okay, preview it. Okay, and in this body itself give a symmetry of this packet mirroring to this plane. Okay, now this body has been created. Okay, let us union trim this body with body 10. Union trim inside with the body 10. The remove that face. Okay, this in the gap. Now in this body 10, in this body 10, oh, what else? There is another. No, let's insert another body then. Okay, in that body, this feature, that 16 mm, some curvature they have given, right? That curvature because of this extra. Okay, that means in this plane. Okay, that should come. This will be like that. Okay, it is goes up to 24. Okay, let's create a feature, another feature. Go there and create one more body. Sketch it. Okay. Draw a small circle. I think so. Okay. And then draw a rectangle. Similar without interfering with others. And in this sketch, this default constraints, let's hide it. Okay, there should be 24 mm from this. Okay, that's right. Okay, and that's 16 mm these two. Okay, 16 mm, and let's give this to this. Hide this, voila, and give this to 8 mm. Okay, now aligned. Make this circle to coincident with the surface. Okay, tangency, and take the circle center point to coincident with this, coincidence with this. Okay, now delete unwanted segments. Okay. Now give diameter of this, radius of this, and length of this to this. Okay. Now another constraint from this to this. It's there. Let's give it some 10, no problem. I don't know. To this tab. 80. That should be decided from the drawing. From this point to this, it's 24, right? Then that's what is the deciding driving force. That means, okay, this is 24, and this should be 1 mm. So then this should be 1 mm plus 20 minus, so 23. Okay, exit and create a pad of 8 mm both direction. Preview. Okay, I think so. Then this body needs to be union trimmed with this body 10, and we have to remove this face. Okay, this sounds good. Okay, let's see. That's how it comes. That's how it looks. I think so. Oh, it's something different, man. It's something really different. It should come in this curvature. That curvature should be done in this plane. Then the body itself is wrong here. Let us resketch it. Let us edit this sketch. Okay, let's change this sketch support. Let us change the sketch support. It's going to differ this plane. Okay. Oh, close. Let's delete this union trim alone, not all the aggregate elements. Okay, now let's try to update it. Okay. Now cancel it. Let's edit this sketch. Okay, it's gone somewhere else. Okay, now the geometries will feel right. This one, let's delete. So it goes from here to there, and let us rotate it. Okay, let's rotate it. Rotate this point by 90 degrees. Okay, that should be. Let's rotate this at this point, not in duplicate. Why I undo it? Let's rotate this. Let's rotate this. Okay, rotate and select the sketch and select the rotation anchoring point 90 degree. Okay, now align it. This point I don't think it has come from the sketch. It has come from the geometry. Okay, center point of the circle. Okay, now that's required anyway. Let's give the dimensions. This to this, it should be 1 mm gap. Okay, and these two should be 16 mm exactly. From this point to this X should be 8 mm. Okay, now this diameter, okay, whatever it is, yes, it's tangent to that. Let's align the center point of this circle to this at 87 point. Still not constrained. Okay, then let's give this point center to this axis to coincident. Now it has become green. Exit and create a pad. Create a pad 8 mm, 8 mm. Okay, preview. Okay, now where we are doing all this should be done in the body tool, right? This pad we should reorder to go inside body 12. Okay, now it seems okay. Okay, now you need to trim this body. Let us see whether it works or not. Union trim with this body and remove this face. Remove this face. Okay, now it seems good. Okay, yeah, this is how it should come. Okay, the design, this design. Okay, in the body 10 we have to create a hole. Okay, go to this and select this surface and 9 mm dial. Let's hide it and hide this is key default access system without hiding the holes position. Dimension the position to coincident, and from this to the AZ it should be 44 means 22. Okay, now up to last works preview. Okay, in this body now take the mirror of this hole to this axis preview. Okay, that's all. We have created connecting rod, and in this body if you want to give edge fillets let's give 1 mm fillet first, this and these edges. Okay, this okay, it looks similar like this. I don't know, this one is got disturbed. Okay, and what else they've given? Looks nice. Okay, let's leave it. That's all. And let's do all other add-on features in a separate video. Here also they used to make the small end, also they used to split it. Okay, let's hide. This is what connecting rod 3D part modeling. Okay, it's done. Thank you for watching. Let's keep this as a separate body itself, because that body will be used in the manufacturing while preparing drawing for drop forging. So this is connecting rod cap. Okay, apply. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this.